These delicious sea bass fillets were cooked to perfection on my Weber Q and topped with Herby butter. Have you heard? What a star! So to make that Herby butter, into the food processor goes 50 grams of watercress and a bunch of flat leaf parsley, about 30 grams. Lid on, give it a few pulses to chop it up. Now add the zest of a lemon, followed by 1 tablespoon of horseradish, the juice of half a lemon, and 200 grams of softened butter. Lid on and blitz until it's all combined. To make our little stars, I'm using a mould, pressing down the butter into each star. Scrape off the excess and it's into the freezer. Still to come, I'll be showing you how I use this fish basket for the very first time, plus a little tip on how to prevent the fish from sticking. If you're liking the vid so far, then give us a thumbs up. Click that button and sub my channel. Activate and ding the bell and drop me a comment. Outside, my Weber Q is nice and hot, and I'll be preparing a medley of veg to go with the fish. I have a pack of stir-fry veg from the supermarket. I'm chopping everything into small pieces so it will cook much quicker. It's all into the bowl for a seasoning with black pepper and a sprinkling of sea salt. This is not ordinary sea salt, it's Jersey sea salt, from that tiny British isle just off the coast of France, which gives us so many fine ingredients. Finally, a drizzle of oil, a quick stir, and that's ready for the griddle. And now for the fish, 2 lovely fillets of sea bass. For the first time, I'm using this fish basket, which I got at a bargain price. I reckon this delicate fish could quite easily stick or break up. I don't know, I could be wrong. Just in case, I'm laying a bed of dill on the basket. When this stuff chars, the taste of the fish will be amazing. On goes the fish, skin side down. A few slices of lemon and lime to keep it all nice and moist. Now, the other fillet. A dash of oil and another layer of dill. Pepper and salt seasoning. Close the basket and onto the grill. I'm giving it about 4 minutes with the lid closed. There's a lovely smoky aroma coming from that dill. I've turned the fish over and the veg is going on. Keep it moving around for even cooking. I reckon that fish is cooked, so let's have a look at it. Well, it hasn't stuck. Lift it off carefully. Just look how white it is. Gently lift off the second fillet and lay it on the bed of vegetables. Add the citrus slices and top with the stars of Herby barbecue butter. I give you barbecued sea bass fillets, served with a colourful vegetable medley and topped with stars of Herby barbecue butter. Check out more of my tasty barbecue recipes. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.